Cheesecake, a dessert that has graced tables for centuries, continues to captivate taste buds worldwide. Its velvety texture and rich flavor offer a luxurious indulgence that few can resist. Whether enjoyed plain or adorned with an array of toppings, cheesecake's versatility and undeniable deliciousness have cemented its place as a beloved classic. From the tangy flavor of cream cheese to the satisfying crunch of a biscuit base, cheesecake is a symphony of textures and tastes that harmonize beautifully. Its ability to be customized with countless variations, from fruity swirls to decadent chocolate, ensures there's a perfect cheesecake for every palate. Creating a delectable cheesecake begins with assembling a handful of key ingredients. Each component plays a crucial role in achieving the perfect balance of flavor and texture. First and foremost, high-quality cream cheese is non-negotiable. Its creamy texture and tangy flavor form the foundation of the cheesecake. Digestive biscuits, when crushed, create a buttery and crumbly base that provides a delightful contrast to the smooth filling. Eggs act as a binding agent, holding the cheesecake together while adding richness. Sugar, of course, provides sweetness and balances the tanginess of the cream cheese. Lastly, a touch of vanilla extract enhances the overall flavor profile with its warm and fragrant notes. Turning these simple ingredients into a show-stopping cheesecake is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail and a dash of patience. To begin, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. While the oven heats, prepare the base by crushing the biscuits into fine crumbs. Melt butter and combine it with the biscuit crumbs, mixing well until evenly moistened. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a springform pan, creating an even base. Bake for 10 minutes, then set aside. Next, beat the cream cheese and sugar until smooth and creamy. Gradually beat in the eggs, one at a time, ensuring they are fully incorporated. Stir in the vanilla extract. Pour the batter over the cooled biscuit base. One common pitfall is overmixing the batter, which can lead to air bubbles and cracks. To avoid this, mix the ingredients just until combined, avoiding excessive beating. Another challenge is ensuring the cheesecake bakes evenly and doesn't crack. A water bath helps to regulate the temperature and prevent excessive browning. To create a water bath, wrap the springform pan tightly in foil and place it in a larger baking dish. Fill the larger dish with hot water, ensuring it reaches halfway up the sides of the springform pan. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until the cheesecake is just set, but still slightly wobbly in the center. Allow the cheesecake to cool completely in the oven with the door slightly ajar. This gradual cooling helps to prevent sudden temperature changes that can cause cracks. Once cooled, refrigerate for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight to allow the cheesecake to fully set.